Assalamu alaikum, y'all. It's Peanut Q Public with part 2 of how to make a pendant wrapped in a square knot like this, made by the Third Dimension. Find them on Facebook and Instagram. Alright, there's a couple ways you can do this. I'm going to show you a way where you can actually keep your pendant wrapped while you do your square knot. It's actually a little bit more difficult, but it'll make it a little tighter and a little cleaner. So, okay, for this one, you'll need a safety pin. Safety pins are very helpful in any macrame, so I always have a billion. Anyway, put it on your right hand working cord. That is the one that does the reverse S. Put on the end of that in the little hole. Close it on up. Alright. You want the filler cords that you have wrapped around the wood here to be nice and tight. They will need just enough slack for your safety pin to get through, but that's not a whole lot of slack. Alright. Now you're going to put your safety pin behind the filler cords, and you'll find that that will naturally form that backwards S shape that you're going for. But you want to send it all the way through and back, because you don't want a safety pin here. You just want that backwards S shape. And that's what you got, your backwards S shape. Now, most people that will show you how to do this are not going to show you that backwards S shape. They're going to show you how to do it a half at a time. And if I'm being honest with you, that's how I accidentally made things into half square knot way too many times. Which, I mean, it's pretty when you're trying to do it, but when you're trying to do a full square knot and you accidentally do a half, it makes it look really messed up. So as before, you go under the working cord, over the filler cord, and under your working cord. Tighten it a bit, get your end, and do it again in reverse through the bottom of that backwards S. Tighten, and then before you actually tighten your square knot here, you're going to want to give your main piece, which is the top of your square knot here, another tightening. Maybe put your finger down here to make sure it stays tight. And then when you tighten it, you're going to have to be super careful that you don't interfere with your filler cords, because in this case, your filler cords and your working cords are the same cords. Sorry, y'all. Okay, I'm an edge sitter. Alright. That one's tightened, so you don't actually have to actively tighten that one. But now you gotta get these ones, and you're pretty much good to go from there. You just repeat and tighten as desired. I'll show y'all more about tightening in another video.